Hey guys, I am Jenna, a first-time mama, and I am here to compare two high chairs today. One's really cheap and one's really expensive, and I want to see if they compare in what they can do and will help you figure out which one's best for you and your family. First, we have the Chicco Polly Progress Relax High Chair and the Ikea Antilop High Chair. This one's $160, this one is $20. Comparing the height already, if your baby is going to be growing with you, this can grow with them. This one cannot. This is the way it stays. Another thing to notice is this one has the footrest, and some parents are really strict about giving their child some footrest. This one doesn't. So this one's pretty basic. This one has the bells and whistles. Another thing is the harness and strap. This one is just a waist, and this one is waist with shoulder straps. Some parents want extra protection. Sometimes we just do the waist. Another thing to note is how easy, super easy taking this on and off is, and finding the spot where it grooves in, and you can choose different spots to put it. This one, Jeremy and I both just tried taking it off, and it's a lot harder. We just have her food eat here, then we wash this in the sink and let it dry, and this stays nice. For this one lived at her grandma's house, and they would just wipe instead of having to wash and remove. Another thing about the ease of this one is it's pretty basic. It's all white. You can just do a nice spot clean, and it doesn't have all these crevices that this one has. I'm going to be a little yucky and show you, but like there is so much droppings in all of these cracks and pieces that we just don't have the time to clean, which we will eventually. Another thing is everybody complains about wide base bottoms. That's just every high chair for it to be safe with the 4 pieces. But this one is cool because it moves around the house if we chose a different spot. This one is so lightweight, so it's no big deal either that way. This is padded, maybe more comfortable. This one is a pretty basic setup. This one lives in our home, and this one lives outside our home. This one is as basic as it gets, and it was fine for the occasional hangout at grandma's. But for the everyday, 3 times a day, this one really does have the bells and whistles that I like, the ease of it. Another thing to mention is this one is called the Relax High Chair because it reclines to like 5, 6, 7 different levels. So like it can start off back here as they grow and get older. I've seen people like giving their baby a bottle, and as they get older, it goes to the highest level. But to be honest, $20, when all you need is a basic high chair to feed that kid, this works. The thing is the location here matters a lot to Jeremy and I. How far the tray is to our child's mouth droppings. If it's out here and you can never get it closer, like this is pretty tight because you can move it as they grow. That part matters to me, but maybe not to you. Maybe this is your one to go with. But I hope that helped explain between these 2 high chairs and make your decision a lot easier. Bye, thanks for watching.